So Gecko is a very unique part of our range. It's designed to be as small as possible, but to maximising space internally when you fold down the bed end. Behind us, we've got an 11-foot. It has all the same major features as any caravan does, but in a very, very compact, small size. Easy to tow, easy to use. It's very small, very nimble. We have 2 packs available in the Gecko. One is a comfort, which is behind us, but there's also an adventure pack too. So someone that wants to do that free camping or semi-off-road, we have that same layout available in that. The 11-footer has a rear door to give it more open space as you walk down the thoroughfare, but we do have variations in a 12-footer and also a 16-foot family van as well.
So what do you have inside?
Inside you've got a toilet, a shower, and it's separated on each side. You've also got good seating, pantry, cooking facilities, and even a fridge. So if you want more information on this particular model, you can go to our website, which is newagecaravans.com.au, or you can talk to your local dealer.